See, the formula of hyperlink works in the same way as the option of hyperlink which has been given to us. You can see here that inside insert, you get the option of hyperlink. But there is a slight difference. We can do something advanced with the hyperlink formula. If we want to add a link from any other file which is kept in our computer memory, or we want to add a link of any sheet somewhere in this document, then how will we add the link? How will we create a link? I have made an excellent video on this also. You can watch that video on the I button above. But for beginners, I will explain once again the use of hyperlink. See, on hyperlink, we click here or its short key is Control. Now suppose this is Pankaj's file. We want to see this Pankaj's file or Naresh's file. This is the complete details of the employees there. And we click on the name here, or we have created another column by clicking here. If we click here, it will take us directly to the details of that Pankaj. So for that we use the hyperlink option. If we press Control, then see, here you get options. One is existing file on the web. Here, wherever any file or that detail of that employee is kept in our computer memory. If we click on it and press OK, then its link will be created directly from there. You know this simply. If we have to put a hyperlink anywhere in this document, I told this in Microsoft Word, so we will go to this balance. And here in this document, this file is open, there are 5 seats. You can see 5 seats. All 5 seats have been displayed here. And where is that data kept? It is kept on sheet number 4. We will click OK. So see, the link here has been created. From where was it created? It was created from sheet number 5. We click here. So where have we come back? We have come to sheet number 5, and there can be a lot of data in this sheet. Look, there's details of Pankaj as well. There is details of Naresh as well, Manoj, Mukesh, Ganesh. We want to directly reach that particular detail. Look, our cursor has come here now. We want that when we click on Pankaj, then either our cursor should come here or here. Or if we click on Manoj, then our cursor position should come here, active cell or here. Right? It should come somewhere within this row. Then how will we use that thing? I will go back to this sheet. I will remove this hyperlink from here. So for that we will use formula. See, for now I will delete it from here. We will also right click here again. So here we apply full, and suppose we will apply full here. So we have to go to Pankaj's detail. And Pankaj's detail is here in row number 2. Okay, we have to go to row number 2. And which column do we choose? We can choose that column. Suppose we want to come directly to C here. So we will fill C2 here. So how will we add in full? We will do equal to hyperlink. We will start bracket. Link location. We have to give the link of that sheet. So for that we will start double quote, and inside double quote my formula ran here. In double quote we will put here has. Here we will write the name of the sheet. Whatever is the name of your sheet, the name of my sheet. There is only sheet 4. The name that you have given, we will put that name here. Exclamation marks have to be pressed with shift and number 1. And now here we have to write the name of that cell. That was our C2, right? Inside C2, we have to reach C number column in the number 2 row. And friendly name. What do we want to show here inside friendly name? We will use comma. And above the inverted commas we will right click here. I will type this here and use enter. So look here, click here is written automatically. If we click here, where have we reached directly? Look, our active position is this cell C2. Isn't it? And from here we will go back to the same sheet again. So we can create a button here. Here we can write back. And we will also put its link. We can put its link directly because there we do not need to know which cell we have to go to. So we can directly use Control key here. Inside Control key we have to go to sheet number 5. Select it and you can take any cell here. A1 A2 is A1. You will reach A1. We have to go to A2. We will reach A2 and click OK. So from here we will again click on back. So you will see that we have again reached here in A2 cell. Similarly, we would like to give its link here. So here also we will do equal to hyperlink by starting bracket. The link location is our same inverted commas has sheet 4 with exclamation mark. Now we have to go inside C3 inverted commas close comma, click here OK, enter. See, from here again its link is created. Now if we click on this, then where has it come? Now it has reached inside C3, right? First go to C2, see, we go back from here. If we click here, then it has come inside our C2. Again we go back, and this time if we click here, then we have reached inside C3. How good and great work we can do by using Hyperlink in this way. How good dashboard can we make? For that, you must watch our video by clicking on the